Hey, this is Johnny. You do it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove this drain and replace it with a new one. Or not. Here we go. Got some movement. Alright, so we needed to get some force in there. There we go. Okay, now we have this new one that we purchased. Yeah, it looks good. So you want to make sure that the old stuff is all cleaned off. And also this Plumbers putty that was in here. And it's pretty easy to clean off. Sometimes the Plumbers putty gets really old. Alright, so we removed the old one, now we're going to put in a new one. Alright, so then you remove the extra Plumbers putty. Okay.
Which one?
Alright, so then this plate gets installed there. And this is the overflow drain. But we really don't want to overflow because that gasket is all kind of messed up. They didn't give us a replacement gasket.